busy week again, but here's the Intense 5. So, it seems as if Poppy gave Riri some inspiration this week when she posed topless while promoting her silk shorts from her Savage Fenty lingerie line. Riri quoted lyrics from his 2018 hit, Naked.
The picture did look good still, not like.
Yeah, Riri always looks good.
Cardi B also got some dancehall inspiration while chilling on a yacht in Miami this week. She channeled her inner Statius and was singing the lyrics word for word.
Yeah, man.
She said dancehall, you know?
Yeah.
See, one time she pop out of Vanessa Bling myself.
That's your girl. So, $30 million is missing and the bursar is also missing in action. Then it's reported that she didn't run off. Instead, she's in the States and unwell. Okay.
Shensia and her?
Wow.
I wonder if there's a collab in the works.
Looks
I would
good.
love that.
Yep, and finally holding the spot this week, the JetBlue flight attendant who convinced several people she was being held hostage at a hotel in Trelawney after testing positive for COVID has been fired. Oh well. Oh well, yeah. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Lots more next week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.